Hi GREATfuls! Welcome back sa Charlene's TV at sa video na ito, didiscuss natin ang iba't ibang paggamit nitong mga to. These are called punctuation marks. So for today, we're gonna learn about period, exclamation point, and question mark. Now this is part 1 of my video about punctuation marks. Meron pa tong part 2 hindi natin pagsasabay-sabayin para mas mahimay-himay natin. Alright? So before we start, let me just greet. Ito, batiin natin lahat ng mga nag-request ng punctuation marks. So, siguro nga kailangan nyo talaga ito. Alright, hello po sa inyong lahat and maraming salamat sa suporta. Now, let us start. Ayan, grateful. Before I start, let me just read to you a paragraph from Rick Warren's book, A Purpose-Driven Life. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba yung walang punctuation mark. As I wrote this book, I often prayed that you would experience the incredible sense of hope, energy, and joy that comes from discovering what God put you on this planet to do. There's nothing quite like it. I am excited because I know all great things are going to happen to you. They happen to me. I have never been the same since I discovered the purpose of my life. Ang hirap basahin nito, dire-diretso. But that is the purpose of punctuation marks. It frames and it builds a structure for our paragraph. At ito din yung nagsisilbi na parang pinaka-pause natin kung kailan tayo pwedeng huminga. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Unahin natin ang period. A period looks like just a dot. Sa Tagalog ay tuldok. We use this to end a sentence which expresses a statement, a request, or a command. So, ginagamit natin ito sa dulo ng mga pangungusap na nagpapahayag lang ng isang bagay o kaya naman ay nag-uutos o kaya ay nakikiusap. So, tingnan natin tong example na to. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. So, nagbigay lang to ng pahayag, statement lang yan. Therefore, it must end with a period. Next one, close the door on your way out. So, sara mo yung pintuan paglabas mo. So, it gives a command, nag-uutos ito. Therefore, we must end it with a period. Ayan, so normal lang nito na sinabi na isara mo yung pinto. So, command ito, nag-utos. But, if we added the word please or kindly, then it will become a request. Magiging request na yan or pakiusap. Please close the door on your way out. Pakisara mo nga yung pinto paglabas mo. Katulad din nito. Please get me a glass of water. Pakikuha mo naman ako ng isang basong tubig. So, kahit na utos man yan, katulad nung kanina, o ito, pakiusap, pas magalang, may please or kindly, it must end with a period. Sa tuldok po yan, nagtatapos. Okay, next one is exclamation point. So, it looks like there's a line and then at the bottom of that, there's a period. So, ganyan. Sa Tagalog ay tandang padamdam. Okay? So, we use this to end a sentence which expresses a strong emotion. So, when we use this, it might also mean that the speaker is angry. Something like that. So, kapag medyo malakas yung emosyon, masaya man, malungkot, or galit, kapag malataas-taas yung emotion ng speaker, ang gagamitin natin sa dulo nun ay exclamation point. For example, happy birthday! Or, it's a prank. Okay naman, I hate you. So, lahat ng ito ay nagpapakita ng malakas na emosyon. So, kapag nabasa natin ito, medyo ang gagawin din nating boses sa isip natin ay medyo mas lalakas yung boses kasi mas malakas din yung emosyon eh. So, exclamation point ang nasa dulo niyan. Ayan, tingnan nyo GREATfuls, yung mga sentences natin. Happy birthday, masaya. It's a prank, masaya. Pero yung I hate you, galit yan, di ba? So, kahit na anong emosyon, basta may emosyon yan na malakas, kailangan exclamation point. Tingnan natin yung example natin kanina. Close the door on your way out. Simple lang. It's just a command. Utos lang yan. Kaya sa tuldok nagtapos. Pero, kung sakali na galit na yung nag-uutos kasi walang sumunod sa kanya sa ilang lumabas dun sa kwarto na yon na hindi sinara ang pinto, baka galit na siya, pwede niyang sabihin na, close the door on your way out. So, galit na siya, therefore, we must end the sentence with an exclamation point. Okay, third one, we have the question mark. So, it looks like a curved line, yung parang shape ng tenga natin, and then there's a period at the bottom. So, question mark. Yeah, so from the word itself, question, we use it to end a sentence which is asking. Okay? So, kapag nagtatanong or asking for information, dapat ang nasa dulo niyan ay tandang pananong kasi nagtatanong nga, di ba? Now, medyo pwede nating gawing palatandaan yun, no? So, kapag nagtanong ka, di ba, naghahanap ka ng sagot. So, yung shape ng tenga, di ba, makikinig ka, papakinggan mo yung sagot. So, yun yung gagamitan ng question mark. Baka kasi mapagpalit natin sila ng exclamation point kanina. So, tingnan natin tong example natin. Naghahanap ng information, halimbawa, who's your president? Sino ang presidente mo? Sino nga ba, grateful? Second example, what is the summer capital of the Philippines? Ano nga ba ang summer capital natin? Yes, that's Baguio City. Alright? And next one, how are you related to our teacher? Kaano-ano mo yung teacher natin? So, these sentences are all asking for information. It's looking for information. Therefore, it must end with a question mark. Tandaan nyo pag nagtatanong tayo, papakinggan natin yung sagot. Therefore, ang end natin ay ka-shape ng tainga na question mark. Ayan, reminder lang ginagamit natin ito sa dulo ng mga pangungusap, tapos pagtapos noon, yung sunod na letter ay magiging capital. At ito din yung pagkakataon natin para huminga kung medyo mahaba man yung binabasa natin, para hindi tuloy-tuloy. So, we need to stop. So, now, bago ko pala makalimutan, yung period, maliban sa pagtapos or pag-end ng isang declarative or ng isang statement or command or request na sentence, ay ginagamit din ito para sa mga abbreviations. So, when we say abbreviations, ito yung mga short words or mga acronym na salita na ginagamit para mas mapadali yung communication. For example, Mr. So, MR, tas tuldok, Mrs. MRS, tuldok, doctor. DR, pwede din RN sa dulo ng pangalan, ibig sabihin registered nurse. Ginagamit din ito sa ETC, tuldok, EG, tuldok, and what else? Ginagamit din to sa AM, tuldok-tuldok, at saka sa PM, tuldok-tuldok. Now, Ma'am Charlene, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng AM and PM? So, when we say AM, this means ante-meridiem, parang Latin word ito, ibig sabihin before noon, bago magtanghali. Kapag naman PM, post-meridiem, ibig sabihin after midday. So, tapos na yung tanghali, katanghalian. So, AM is 6 AM to 12 noon, or 11:59 AM, tapos 12 noon, and then 12:01 PM to 11:59 PM. Ayan, so ginagamitan natin ng tuldok yung mga abbreviations para mapaiksi. Okay, quiz tayo, grateful. And let me see if you learned something from this video. All you have to do is to comment or write down the proper punctuation mark to be used for each sentence. Number 1. Do you want some iced tea? Do you want some iced tea? The correct answer is question mark. Number 2. Melchor Aquino was a Filipina revolutionist who was also known as Tandang Sora. Again, Melchor Aquino is a Filipina revolutionist who was also known as Tandang Sora. Okay, the correct answer is yes, it states a statement, therefore it must end with a period. Number 3, kindly put your trash in your bags. Kindly put your trash in your bags. It's a request, therefore it must end with a period. Number 4, don't come here. Number 4, don't come here. Ayun. So, ewan ko kung na-express ko ba ng tama yung emotion, grateful. But, I am expressing an emotion. Siguro, kung isang tatay yun na pinipigilan niya, yung anak niya na lumapit sa kanya, baka delikado yung trabaho or something hazardous. So, sabi niya, don't come here. So, may strong emotion. Therefore, we will use exclamation point. Okay? Next, get one and pass. Get one and pass. Okay, the correct answer, yes, it is a command, so it must end with a period. Okay, so I hope na mataas yung nakuha mong score, grateful. Sabi ko nga, part 1 lang ito. Sa next na video ay tatalakayin natin ito, ellipsis, hyphen, parenthesis, and kung ano-ano pang mga punctuation marks, guhit-guhit na nakikita natin sa pagbabasa at pagsusulat ng English. Pero habang wala pa akong upload tungkol doon, pwede kang mamili sa dalawang to kung ano yung gusto mong panoorin, and see you sa next video, grateful. Bye-bye!